Hello, I'm Jennifer with Getaway today, and we are so excited to be here today in Cozumel, the beautiful Cozumel. Over in the Caribbean seas, the gorgeous water, wonderful snorkeling, tons to do here. But we're excited to show you a room tour of one of our favorite properties that we're partnered with, the Fiesta Americana Cozumel. It's beautiful, and it's again located just right in the heart of Cozumel. It has tons to do, beautiful facility, all-inclusive, and really a lot of extra all-inclusive features. Delicious food. We're loving the day here, and I can't wait to show you the room. So let's kind of walk in. This is one of the standard rooms. You can see one thing right off, your view in all of the rooms is amazing. They're all ocean view rooms. And of course the sea here is so beautiful. You will love that about it. We're starting here in the bathroom. You can see great vanity. Got wonderful amenities for you. Got a spacious closet with lots of storage, which is so nice for families. And again, this resort is both for families and for adults, so you really, it's great for multi-generation trips. It's great for all those groups, plus your individual family too. But very spacious rooms. They've got slippers, very nice laundry bags. You've got the bathroom in here and a beautiful shower. I love that they have the rain shower heads. Those are so wonderful. Nice shelving, really beautiful. The rooms are maintained so well. And that's one thing we've really been impressed with all the facilities at the resort. So walking in, I love the wood color, very spacious, beautiful TV, great light. And we've got to show the bed. Like this turquoise color, it just makes you feel like you're on vacation. It is beautiful. And this room, of course, has the two doubles. If you would be in a king room, it would be just a little different. Your king bed would actually face the ocean, and the shower would have been more glass enclosed. So just little differences. But if you're here with your kids, this is a great option. If you're just as adults, go for that king bed. Cute sitting area. And then this is what I'm excited about, is you have so many fun activities. Your own private deck. And of course, if you're on the first floor, instead of the ocean view, you'll actually have the pools that are just right outside of your room, which another great option. So if you have young kids, they might want to be closer to the pools. But you can see out here, you're right there by the water. Guys, let's come out, we'll show the pool. So the pool is beautiful, it's oversized, it's wonderful, and that's where we've been spending the day. But of course, across the street is where the beach club is. And during the day, that's where a lot of your food options are too. You can see that larger hut, that's actually the only buffet on property. Great food, lots of options. That's just kind of that grab and go, so you have lots of things to choose from. Then you can see below, right by there is kind of the hamburgers, more of a kind of faster food type area. And then you've got the seafood option, which I love seafood. They have tons to choose from. But the beach here, the cool thing about Cozumel is they have fantastic snorkeling. And this beach, similar to the other resorts here, it's not your sandy beach, but that's okay, because it's actually that snorkel beach. You can go in and you can start snorkeling right outside of the beach club here. And they have the snorkels here at the resort. If you're into scuba diving, they can come pick you up here to do scuba diving too. And they have a lot of water sports activities included if you want to do some of those. They're also down at the beach club. You're not gonna run out of things to do here. There are so many fun things. And let's kind of keep going. So this is, again, if you have a smaller family size or just traveling with adults, this is the room you'll be in. But I happen to have a family of 6, so I need a little bit different options. So they were kind enough to show us a room that can fit for my family too. So this room, it's an adjoining room, and there's a few of these that actually don't have the separating doors. They're just kind of built like this, but this one has the nice privacy with the doors. So you walk into this room, and this kind of gives you an option for a family that's a larger size. And they actually, this is the 2-bedroom, but they have a 3-bedroom that would go up to 10 people even. So you have some options, because I know a lot of family like to travel as multi-gen and be in the same kind of configuration. So you don't have to go to condo, you can stay at this resort. Again, beautiful bathroom area, very similar. So that's nice, again, with a family to have this extra bathroom space. And then when you come into the room, you actually, it kind of mirrors that. You have an extra TV and this bed, and you have a dining area, which is fun. And I forgot to show you, but I'll show you in here. They have fridges in each room, which is nice, and they're stocked with your favorite soda drinks. And each day, like once a day, that's included to get that stocked. But this is a bed that pulls out, so you've got a bed option for maybe your kids, and they've got their own TV, their own bathroom, their own dining area. You're set. This is awesome. So let's show you the fridge area. It also has its own balcony. They've got that nice that it's already got things stocked and ready. And it's fun at these resorts, your kids can actually grab the drinks out, whereas some you're like, don't touch anything, it costs a lot of money. So it's nice, again, all-inclusive. It's all-inclusive fun, all-inclusive dining. And another balcony, but let's show you, it keeps going. There's more to this awesome room. So it's in this other right back at the beginning, you can see there's an entrance to all three of them. You come over, again, a spacious bathroom, all these great amenities. You do have the glass shower in this room, which is beautiful. You love the cleanliness. It's just, I love the white, I love the decor. I love this, this kind of wood element too. This is the king bed again that overlooks the water and the ocean. And with this suite, it has a fun sitting area. Plus, it includes a jacuzzi out on the balcony, which is just, again, another treat for your family or for your group that's traveling together. So you can see, again, they have a lot of great options. So I've stayed at a few Fiesta Americanas, most recently the one in Puerto Vallarta. And if I'm going to come inside, it's a little bit louder out here. But I just wanted to highlight their service is impeccable here. They love having you as their guests. In fact, their brand, the La Colección, is one of the largest employers in the Mexican area, and they're always voted as one of those top workplaces here. And you can tell their staff, they love working here. They love the environment that they're in. They love taking care of their guests. Also, the food. That was another thing that was of note. When my husband and I stayed at the one in Puerto Vallarta, we're like, it's so quality. Yes, it's all inclusive, but that doesn't mean you don't get the best quality. They have fantastic food, and there's fun things to do, and there's always great activities. They have, you can do as much or as little as you want to. If you want to sit by the pool in the beach club and relax, you can. Or if you want to go paddleboarding, or you want to do snorkeling, or you want to have an entertainment and activities by the pool, they have that going too. So really something for everyone. We're in Cozumel, beautiful island, lots to do here. There's, again, so when you're here, you can do lots of excursions. Definitely a place you're going to want to stay. Again, you're going to want to stay at this Fiesta Americana Cozumel. Getaway today, we can help you get there. Thanks so much for watching.